explicit. Explicit, that means something which is made crystal clear and showcases full details. Examples are, number 1, they were given explicit details about the program. Another example, the law has given explicit rules to be followed. Grumpy, that means bad-tempered or annoyed. For example, as my sleep cycle is a bit affected, so I feel a little grumpy. Another example, Rakesh was feeling very grumpy after a long flight. Impetuous, it's an adjective which has a negative connotation, and it means someone who takes decision very quickly without thinking much. So, examples go like this. Why are you so impetuous? You couldn't have got in debt if you had not purchased that flat. Another example. He is so impetuous. He should think things over before rushing into them. Ubiquitous, seeming to be everywhere at the same time. Or you can say very common. Examples go like this. Number 1, sugar is ubiquitous in the diet. Another example, leather is ubiquitous and is very much in fashion this season. Another example, smartphones are the most ubiquitous electronic appliances of this age. So this is how you can utilize the word ubiquitous in your daily life. Verbose. R is silent in verbose. So it is used when someone is excessively talkative. So example goes like this. The managing director is verbose and is famous among all his employees for his long and pointless speeches. Another example. That man is so verbose. He took 30 minutes to give me that simple answer. So this is how you can utilize the word verbose in your daily life. Thank you. Stay tuned.